Is this a man? No, this is not a man. This is a woman. What is her name? Her name is Margaret. Is her name Clara? No, her name is not Clara. Is her name Jennifer? No, her name is not Jennifer. What is her name? Her name is Margaret. Spell her name, please. M-A-R-G-A-R-E-T. Thank you. You are welcome. Is she a man or a woman? She is a woman. What is her last name? Her last name is Campbell. Spell her last name. C-A-M-B-B-E-L-L. Thank you. You are welcome. What is my name? Your name is Sam. Am I a woman? No, you are not a woman. You are a man. Am I a man? Yes, you are a man. What is my name? Your name is Sam. Please spell my name. S-A-M. Thank you. You are welcome. Are there 7 people in this room? No, there are not 7 people in this room. Are there 9 people in this room? No, there are not 9 people in this room. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room. Please spell people. B-E-O-B-L-E. Are you on the floor? No, I am not on the floor. Are you on the wall? No, I am not on the wall. Are you on the ceiling? No, I am not on the ceiling. Are you on the chair? Yes, I am on the chair. Please spell chair. C-H-A-I-R. Thank you. You are welcome. Is there one outlet in the wall? No, there is not one outlet in the wall. How many outlets are there in the wall? There are 3 outlets in the wall. Please spell outlet. O-U-T-L-E-T. Thank you. You are welcome. Is the US a small country? No, the US is not a small country. Is the US a big country? Yes, the US is a big country. Please spell country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Thank you. You are welcome.